Hello everyone, welcome back to my estate video. This video is just to motivate some people, okay? It's not to brag about being on level 4, okay? Just to make you aware that people that are already in level 4, okay, in estate, that is where the automated agent level commission starts, okay? So I'm going to break it down for you, okay? But before that, let me show you some of the perks that comes with being on level 4 in estate if you are an agent in estate. Okay, so I am going to be sharing this. This is the first thing that I got when I logged in into my back office. Anybody that has attained level 4 and above would have gotten this message as well. Each level that you attain, okay, you will get something similar. Okay, it will tell you that your tax is completed and you have unlocked the real estate agent level 4, level 5, level 6 up to level 20, guys, right? But let me show you one of the perks that comes with being on level 4 in estate. Now, if you take a look at this, right, this is the one of the presentation screen. Okay, I took a screenshot from the whole of the agent presentation slides. Now, if you take a look at these levels here, the bottom levels, you can see that it starts from level 1 to level 20, but focus on level 4 just now. So you need a total team volume of $25,000 to attain level 4, which, you know, I just made a few weeks ago. And what you will get, okay, when you attain that level is 580K and $250 cash given to you in your back office. This is great. The greatest feeling so far that you can get if you attain this agent level 4 and above, right? So this is one of the perks that comes with it. And this is what I got as well. Okay, so estate promised that they were going to give. Let me go back one more step so you can see that they said 580K and $250 cash. This is what I got, guys. This is it. Right, congratulations, you have just reached a new rank, agent 4. Bonus reward is $250 plus 580K. This is just, you know, great for anybody working towards growing their career in estate, right? Especially those that are agents. So now I got the same notification, just different screenshots that I took, right? But this is what actually makes the difference, guys. Okay, if you are in agent level 4, it makes a lot of difference, and I will share that with you just now. On this screenshot, again, this is one of the presentation screenshot for the agents, right? You will notice that they have two main commissions here: the deal commission on my left hand side and the profit commission on my right hand side, as you can see, right? So the deal commission is the commission you get instantly when a member of your team purchase a fractional real estate, right? So this one, you cannot write this off because this comes automatically and you will be able to withdraw that once you get paid, right? I don't want to go into the percentages, but you can see the deal commission here, right? Now, on my right hand side here, where it says profit commission, this is where it becomes interesting. Okay, this is one of the things that I love about estate. From here on, okay, once you attain this level, agent level 4, right, from there on, you are going to be getting on a daily basis what is called agent commission, right? And it's dropping every single minute. Take a look at this, guys. This was yesterday, on Monday, right? The 18th of May. And guess what? Before 12 o'clock in the morning, I received 10 different payments. Okay, some of them are agent commissions. Some of them are profit accrued from the real estate that I have purchased, right? You can see just within few hours, look at all the money coming into my account, guys. So don't sit on this. If you have not become an agent yet, this is the best time for you to become an agent, because if you do become an agent and you work so smart, okay, not hard, you work so smart to get to this level, this agent level 4, you will not regret it at all, right? Because you are going to be getting the agent commission, which is automated on a daily basis. On a daily basis. In fact, on minutes by minute basis, depending on the strength and the number of the people you have as your team members and how much they have actually purchased the fractional real estate, right? So if you keep building, you are going to keep growing up to agent level 20, right? I have seen people that came into e-estate within few months, they become agent level 13, agent level 12, agent level 10, right? So if you work smart, work very smart, you will be able to attain all of these levels, right? So I am just starting because this is me on just level 4, right? I have people that are level 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay? Maybe 20 people are looking to aim to get to that level, which is a turnover of 15 million. That's the sales volume of 15 million. If you get to that stage, then you have done so much for yourself and for humanity, because you are sharing this opportunity with people and people are going to be benefiting from it. So guys, this is great. I just thought I should let everybody know the perks that comes with being on agent level 4, and this is great. It is great. It feels so good, right? It feels so real to begin to get all of these multiple passive income on a daily basis, right? So I just thought I should share this with you guys, not to brag about my level and not to brag about my earnings, but to motivate you, right? There is a big difference between motivation and bragging, right? This is not to brag at all, but just to encourage you guys that are in my team, especially those agents that are in my team, to work smarter and make sure that you attain the same level I am or even higher than me, right? I don't care if my agents are higher than me. I don't care. It's not really a problem, because everybody's effort is different, right? My effort that I'm putting into e-estate is different from your effort that you are putting into e-estate. So we'll have different results, okay? But we will enjoy similar perks, okay? Depending on the level you are. So this is it. I am calling on everybody in my team to become an agent. It doesn't cost you anything to become an agent. It's only $9 per month. And guess what, right? Let me show you this one more time, right? If you are thinking that $9 is too much, think about what you're going to be getting on a daily basis. Just take a look at this, right? This is dropping like every single seconds. Just look at the time and the date, right? Every single minute you are getting this. So agent commissions that you are going to be getting will automatically pay your $9 every month, and you have more than enough, right, to withdraw even after that. So don't be scared, okay, with the fact that you have to pay agent fee of $9, all right, or even $90 for 1 year. I prefer for people to probably pay for $90 for 1 year, which is 12 months. So that way you don't have to worry about paying every month for that. Okay, so this is a wake-up call to everybody in e-estate. If you are in e-estate and you have not become an agent yet, this is the best time for you to get started and become an agent, right? So guys, thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video. For those that are looking to join e-estate with me, my link to sign up is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. Thank you and God bless.